Welcome to Kyrascope. Today we are opening this emoji maker. I'm so excited, are you? This is the front. This is the side. This is the back. And this is the side. It's unboxing time. So let's open this. This is the instruction manual and this is the set. Let's see what all is in the box. There are 3 colors, red, yellow and blue. We got 16 labels. We got 2 storage boxes. This is a color mixing guide, tweezer, measuring tube. This is the measuring tube base, snapping tool, 16 plugs, 16 barrels, 16 emoji, stamper tips, 16 caps. These are 16 cores. So let's do this, guys. I want to make purple color. I have to fill red till the marker reaches 12. Add another 3 drops of blue. That makes it 15. Take the marker barrel. Take one of the tips, put it inside, press the tip down. This is done. Now take the barrel, put it inside, place the barrel with tip pointing down into the snapping tool and snap it. Now let's make purple color. I have to fill it till the marker reaches 9. Now let's fill it till it reaches 15. It's done. Guys, it is ready. Let me put the cube. See how it's absorbing the color? Take this cap and put it inside and close it with this and press. I think it's ready. You have to keep it in this position for 5 minutes. Let's make orange. You need yellow color 9 drops, red 6 measuring. 9 yellow, done, and red 6 till the top. It's turned to red. Don't wear a frock like this. You can spoil your beautiful frock. I think it is done. Let me put the tube. Let me put it. Guys, I don't know, but it is turning red. This is done, guys. Let me put the cap on or it will dry. Let me take out another tube. This is fine. We have to place it in this. Now we have to put the tube. Now we have to put the cap. Now let it dry. In the meanwhile, I will wash this and I will make another color. Which color to make now? Now let's make green. Blue 3, yellow 12. Now let's do it. 3 blue. I think it's done. Now we have to put yellow 12 till the top. Wow, it's so beautiful. I think it is done. Let me take the tube, put the eyeballs. Now let me put it inside and put the tube. Now let me put the cap. Now let me do the next number. How about this? So let me do this. Done blue and now red. 3 red. I think it is done. Let me paste the cap on. Yeah, I didn't thought that. Guys, it is done. Let me put the nameplate. I will put a stamp on every sticker so I will know which one is this. Now put a green. My own marker. Done. My markers are ready. Now let me put them in the package. Now let's make the box. The box is ready. Let me put the markers in. Done. I have made the box and put the markers in the box. They are ready. I think you can write your name with the marker. Here is the marker. I will write my name. Kyra. Kyra. Guys, you can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Now it's playtime. I had lots of fun doing this video. Bye bye. If you like us, then subscribe us.